Kendall, let's start something great.
Hi, Cassidy Lane here with Kendall Auto Group. Today we're going to move 1,000 vehicles from all of our dealerships here in Eugene down to the Lane County Fairgrounds, and we're going to have a gigantic sale. Come on down, take advantage of huge savings on new vehicles, pre-owned vehicles, certified pre-owned vehicles. We'll have some food down there, popcorn, sodas, balloons. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Kendall Ford will be there.
Hey guys, I'm Perry Anderson.
I'm Ricky Orlinski, and we're with Kendall Ford.
We're down at the fairgrounds right now. We're selling all kinds of used vehicles. We've got over 1,000 of them.
Come on down and see us.
Kendall Toyota too.
Hi, my name's Paula with Kendall Toyota of Eugene. This week we're down at the fairgrounds for a Memorial Day face-off sale. Come on down and see me.
You know Kendall Subaru's in the house.
I'm Hayden.
I'm Ivan.
And I'm Brian.
And we're from Kendall Subaru.
This weekend we're out here at the fairgrounds. We got thousands of cars to choose from. Come on out and see us.
Kendall Honda will be down at the fairgrounds.
Hi, this is Ian Jarvis with Kendall Honda in Eugene. We're having the face-off at the fairgrounds down here this weekend. Come on down and see us.
Kendall Chevy will be there too.
Hey, I'm Paul Miller.
I'm Bill Nave.
And we're with Kendall Chevrolet.
This is our big sale weekend, Memorial Day, down here at the Lane County Fairgrounds. Thousands of cars.
Kendall, let's start something great.